What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about unsuccessful delivery of credit card. So ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng unsuccessful delivery of credit card? Kapag hindi dumating sa bahay ninyo yung credit card na yon, ano yung dapat nyo gawin kapag ilang beses na kayo nag-request ng credit card redelivery, ilang beses na kayo nag-follow up, tapos walang nangyayari, hindi talaga dumarating sa bahay ninyo. Kaya naman ngayon sa vlog nito, i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung dapat nyo gawin para makuha nyo talaga yung credit card na yon. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see dito guys, if a credit card delivery is unsuccessful or hindi nagtagumpay, meaning hindi nakarating sa bahay ninyo or sa delivery address, immediately track the package on the courier's website to understand the reason. Contact the bank's customer service hotline to update your address, request redelivery, or arrange for branch pickup. Common reasons include an incorrect address or being unavailable to sign for the card. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin na to guys? Isa-isahin natin. Ngayon kapag hindi nyo na-receive yung credit card na yon, tawagan nyo agad yung courier na yon. Like for example, di ba kasi sa BDO or kung anumang bangko yan, magpapadala sila ng notification which is out for delivery na or dispatch for delivery, tapos nandun kung ano yung courier nila or yung shipping company. Tawagan mo sila or di kaya i-track mo sa official website. So when we say track, i-check mo ngayon doon sa official website nila gamit yung reference number or the delivery reference number para malaman yung reasons kung bakit hindi dumarating yung credit card ninyo. Contact the bank customer service hotline to update your address. Ngayon, one thing to consider is baka mali yung address ninyo kaya hindi dumating sa delivery address na yon. Kasi sa delivery address guys, once magkamali kayo dyan, talagang maliligaw yung credit card delivery ninyo at hindi talaga siya magiging successful. You should request credit card redelivery kapag hindi dumating. Tawagan nyo yung bangko, sabihin nyo, i-inform them na magre-request kayo for redelivery or arrange for branch pickup. So yung branch pickup guys is yung si branch mismo yung magre-receive ng credit card ninyo. Kailangan mong itawag yun sa bangko para ipa-approve na ikaw ay nagre-request ng branch pickup na lamang. Common reasons include an incorrect address or being unavailable to sign for the card. So ito yung mga common reasons guys. One thing is unavailable siya, hindi binigay ni courier kasi wala yung may-ari ng credit card na yon. Kasi yes, na-experience ko na rin yan na may nag-deliver ng credit card sa bahay nung may inuupahan ako. Tapos wala doon yung nakapangalan. Hindi talaga nila binigay. Sinabi ko na pwede ko naman sila kasi kaibigan ko, ganyan. Sabi niya hindi talaga pwede sir. Maliban na lang kung may valid ID at saka may authorized letter. Alam mo yun, authorization letter rather. So yun, hinayaan ko yun lang. Then, steps to take following unsuccessful delivery. So ano nga ba yung dapat nyong gawin kapag unsuccessful yung delivery ng credit card ninyo or hindi dumating yung credit card sa delivery address? Track and identify. Check the courier website using the tracking number provided via SMS or email to identify the reason for failure. So as you can see dito guys, track and identify. So, noong nag-notify sa inyo ng out for delivery or dispatch na for delivery, sa mobile number ninyo yun. Kaya naman, one thing to consider guys is yung mobile number or email address ninyo is dapat na-access nyo talaga siya. Kasi lahat ng credit card delivery updates doon ipapadala. Unang-una kapag wala kayong access, mag-failed talaga yun. Kasi hindi kayo aware na may credit card delivery kayo. Doon ipapadala yung address, doon ipapadala yung updates at saka yung status. Ngayon, ipapadala kung dispatch for delivery na, kung nasaan na siya, or kung nag-failed to be delivered, or nag-return to sender. Doon din isi-send. Ngayon, kapag wala kayong access doon sa mobile number na yon, paano nyo makukuha yung notification na yon? Dapat nyo gawin, if ever na meron kayong ganon, punta kayo sa website, kung halimbawa LBC, Ninjavan, or kung anumang courier yan, or to go, may reference number yan. Punta kayo sa website nila, din ilagay mo yung reference number, tapos magdi-display doon kung ano yung reason, kung ano yung dahilan. Mamaya kasi unlocated address yung reason. Ngayon, request redelivery and update address. Ngayon, kung wala talaga, nakalagay na doon is nag-failed na, you have to request redelivery or update your address. SMS reply. Reply to the courier's SMS notification to request another attempt. Ngayon, if ever na nag-text naman, na-receive ninyo since okay naman yung mobile number na nakalink, na-access nyo naman, mag-reply kayo na you are requesting for a redelivery hanggat hindi pa nila nare-return to sender. Bank hotline. Call the bank's 24/7 hotline to verify your details, confirm the correct address, and request redelivery. So ngayon, since nag-failed na, wala na tayong magagawa doon, i-return to sender na yan ngayon. Hanapin ninyo yung contact number or hotline number or official hotline number ng credit card na yun. Siyempre, alam nyo naman kung anong bangko yun, di ba? Kasi nag-apply kayo ng credit card. So, dapat aware kayo kung anong bangko yun. Hanapin ninyo yung official hotline number, tumawag kayo, ipa-check ninyo yung address, baka kasi mali. Tapos, if ever na may mali, ipa-update ninyo, of course. Tapos, ngayon, it's time to request for redelivery. Ngayon guys, kung nakailang redelivery na at hindi pa rin dumarating, I suggest or highly suggest to request for branch pickup. Yes, lahat po ng banks is nagtatanggap ng redelivery for branch pickup kung hindi nyo talaga makuha yung credit card ninyo. Make sure lang guys na malapit kayo sa branch na yon, which is convenient para sa inyo. Mapupuntahan nyo kaagad if ever nakakailangan ninyong pumunta since doon i-deliver yun, of course. Kung kailangan nyo talagang puntahan yun, kailangan nyo magdala ng valid ID para ma-verify ang inyong identity. Kailangan yung bago ibigay yun ni bank employee. Kasi kapag wala kayong valid ID, hindi talaga nila ibibigay yun sa iyo. Online forms. Some banks such as BDO offer online redelivery forms, say BDO. So, ibang bangko kasi guys, is pwede kayong mag-request ng redelivery. Hindi nyo na kailangan tumawag sa customer service. Punta na lang kayo sa website, then request kayo for credit card redelivery. Fill out ninyo yung form, tapos yung bagong address, if ever. Check nyo yung address, guys, na ilalagay ninyo. Yung lagyan nyo ng landmark na kung saan mabilis mahanap para at least hindi mahirapan si rider. Kasi minsan, tatamad-tamad yung rider. Ngayon, hindi talaga mahanap. I-return to sender nila yon. Itatag as unlocated address. Or person to receive is not available. Ganyan. Option for branch pickup. Ito na yon. If multiple deliveries fail, contact the bank to hold the cart at a local branch for secured pickup. So ito na yung pinaka-ultimate resort. Kumbaga, ito na yung pinaka-last option para makuha ninyo yung credit card ninyo. Ito yung pinaka-sure na way para makuha talaga ninyo yung credit card ninyo. Is to request pick up by branch. The steps is, kailangan nyo tumawag sa official hotline number. Kailangan nyo talagang tumawag guys, hindi ito madala sa mga fill out lang. Tumawag talaga kayo, ipa-approve ninyo na gusto nyo mag-branch pick up. Ngayon, sabihin niyo kung saang branch kayo malapit, saang branch nyo gusto ipa-pick up, then pupunta na lang kayo. Make sure lang guys na magdala kayo ng 2 valid IDs. Kasi may ibang branch na talagang stricto when it comes to verifying of your identity. Nanghihingi talaga sila ng dalawang ID. Kailangan nyo talaga dalawang ID. Yun. Secure your card. If the card was returned to the bank, contact them promptly to ensure it not be destroyed. So kapag nakita nyo na nag-return to sender na siya, tumawag agad kayo sa bangko para hindi nila i-destroy. Kasi may mga bangko guys na dinidestroy yun tulad ni East West talaga. Kapag after 7 days na wala talaga nangyayari, dinidestroy nila yun tapos magre-recreate na naman ng credit card. At medyo matagal na naman ulit yun. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!